All right, what's going on, everybody? So I know it's been a little minute since I had a chance to do a food review, and I was out today, actually not even really prepared to do a food review, but I was out and got a little hungry, so I figured I'd stop over at Steak and Shake. And as I was pulling up, I found out that they have this new double steak pork belly burger. Now, normally getting pork belly from a fast food spot is not something that I would even think would be possible. So I figured, hey, let's try it. Get ready to open it up here. Sheesh. So it comes with grilled onions, this whiskey barbecue sauce, and pork belly. And right now I'm gonna lift this open so y'all can see. Pork belly look kind of good. Look at that. See that? It's about 3-4 pieces on here. They kind of threw the burger together a little bit. I don't need to get me a bib or something, because I feel like this thing about to be messy. For real. Alright, so I'm kind of skeptical, but it is what it is. Let's take a bite. Check it out. Hold up. Nah. Yo. I don't even know what to say. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, this is crazy. Yo, seriously? Hands down, this gotta be one of the best fast food burgers I've ever had. Seriously. I mean, Steak and Shake, it is what it is, or their burgers usually, but this right here, man, like the pork belly, I mean, it's real legit. I mean, pork belly, like they up there whipping some magic right now, y'all. Seriously. The burger is juicy, very flavorful. That whiskey barbecue sauce just kind of pulls everything together. Dude, like this burger, yo, hold up. Oh my God, man. Steak and Shake. Steak and Shake. I don't know who idea it was to put this burger on the menu, but my God, get him a raise, yo. This is crazy. My God, man, like, yo, I'm stuck right now. Because, I mean, yo, they just crapped all over Cookout right now. Like, Cookout is my spot. When I want a nice burger, I don't care, they stay open late. They cheap. Son. Yo, this junk make you want to smack your mama, brother, sister, cousin, friend. I'm telling you. My God, yo. Yo. Whatever y'all doing, stop right now. I don't care what your dinner plans were. Go to Steak and Shake. I'm over here at the one off Capitol. All Raleigh people, y'all know where it is. Listen, get you one. Seriously, get you one. I'm not playing. This is not a joke. This is not a sponsored video. But, yo, get you one. My God. Like, I don't even know what else to say about it other than the fact that it's amazing. Seriously. Like I said, the pork belly is just, it's cooked tender. Like, it, you know, sometimes like you have like bacon and like these extra toppings and stuff like that on your burger, especially coming from a fast food spot. It really just looks like it's just thrown together. It ain't no love put into it. But, yo, Barney Noble better. They literally had like a pit master in the back, like whipping out some fire and putting it on a burger. Like, this is literally a whole cookout in the palm of my hand. The whole cookout, straight up. All I need is some sweet tea and some potato salad or something. But man, I know the cook must be back there wearing some Uncle Earl slippers and ash on his ankles, out here putting out that fire. Seriously, this burger don't make no sense, man. Get you one. All right, trust me, get you one.